Okay guys, this is my first time to see this. These guys just cut off some branches of the trees and just piece it by that machine. That won't occupy a lot of space. This truck can carry a lot of threaded trees, leaves and branches. This machine is pretty cool. It just fitted the branch and stems, and then that will be in pieces. The pieces just enter that truck directly. So that is the mouth of the pipe. So in Shanghai, many of the trees are very dense. They just chop some of them in order to keep the eyesight better. If the branches, if you don't cut them to trim them, the branches might reach the ground. It might block the traffic lights. It's quite dangerous. So these 3 people or 4 people are working so hard. Oh my god, that's pretty good. So imagine if you put up the branches and the stems directly into the truck. It needs a lot of trucks and lorries, but they just piece it. It does not occupy too much space. So they are going to finish it very soon. It's amazing, and these kind of pieced stems or branches can become the fertilizer. I think so. It's very environment friendly. Maybe they are going to chop another tree. It's quite efficient. We can look at it closer. Oh my god. It's fantastic. It's just like green water. It's like the green water. It's amazing. So there are more ahead. This machine is pretty cool. Actually, it's my first time to see it. It just fitted. This is really fantastic. That guy is going to drive this truck ahead. Great. They are going to handle the rest. Okay guys, so I think this might be your first time to see it. I think it's one of the best ways to solve these kind of problems. Imagine if you put the branches, stack it in the car or in a cart or lorry. It makes, it occupies a lot of space. So this one truck can hold a lot of pieces of branches and stems. It's more efficient. Okay, guys, thank you for your time. And if you like it, just give me a like. I'm going to take a break. There's a spa hotel. There's another hotel ahead. the business is pretty dire for the hospitality business, and restaurant business, dining business is bleak too. Okay, I'm going to stop my bicycle. I bike every day here. It's great to bike, to cycle. I have to find a space to stop it. There is almost no space. Okay, here we go. Okay, I'm going to put it here and lock it. This is the lock. It's quite easy. Just lock it. Yeah, it's been locked already. This is my cool bicycle. Cool. Dope. Very dope. Okay. Amigos, ciao ciao. Adios. See you later. Hasta pronto.